So my name is Mitchell Hatton. I'm an employee of the Marathon Public Library, and today we are going to be reviewing how to use the library catalog on the Marathon Public Library website. So first, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the public library website at marathon.olsn.ca. You can also find the website by simply typing in Marathon Public Library into your Google search, and it will be one of the options that pop up. So once you are on the website, we are going to click on Library Catalogs. And first, we are going to check out the movie section. So once you click on the movie catalog, you will see that all of the movie genres we have will pop up. You can select whichever genre you would like. And then once it opens up, you will notice that on the left-hand side, there is something called a call number. So in the library, this is what we use to easily find a movie or a book. We just type that number into our system and it pops up for us and it tells us exactly where it is and if it's checked out or if it is in the library. On the right-hand side, you will see the movie title. So if you click on the movie title, it will bring you to another page and it will give you the trailer and everything about the movie from IMDb. Some movies or TV shows are not available on IMDb, so some may come up as Rotten Tomatoes, which is another website that provides all of the information about specific movies. So in order to check out a movie, what you have to do is once you find the movie title or the movie that you would like to check out, what you're going to do is you're just going to grab a pen and paper and you need to write down the call number. So as soon as you write down the call number, we will then be able to check out that movie for you and there will be no issues. That is the easiest way to check out a movie with the library. So when you write down the call number, it is very important to note when you either call the library or go online that it is a DVD. So DVD will be before the number. So it will go DVD 5023. So we're going to go back to the main library catalog page. And next we are going to check out a TV series. So as soon as you click on this, all of the TV series that are available through the library pop up. And right now the website is under development. So not all the TV series have been added, but most have been. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to select a TV series and it's just like the movie. Once you select it, it will bring you to either IMDb or Rotten Tomatoes, and it will give you a description of the TV series with every episode that is in it. So what you have to do with the TV series is the same as the movies. So what you're going to write down is you're going to write down TV 002, and that is the call number for the TV series in order to check them out. So next we are going to go back to the library catalogs. And on here, you can also see new books for the month. Now, every month the library releases new books that are either new to the library or that have just been released. And you can tell by the type of sticker that's on the book, and it is also shown up here. So check back every month. They may be a little late at being posted to the website, but it will eventually be on there. You can also check the Marathon Public Library Facebook page, or you can also call the library to see what books have just been released. Next, we are going to go to the entire library catalog. So once you click this button, it will automatically redirect you to the catalog through Ontario Library Service North. So what you have to do is up at the top here, you will see a little bar that says login. Once you click that, you need to have your library card number with you. So your card number can be found on the back of your library card. If you do not have your library card, please call the library at 229-0740, and we will be able to give you the card number that is associated with your account. If you do not have a library card or an account with the public library in Marathon, please go to our website at marathon.olsn.ca and fill out the library request form. Or you can also call the library at 229-0740, and they will be able to help you develop a library card. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to be using a library card that we have just set up. So every library card is the same. So it starts with 2074 and then 6 zeros after that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then the last 4 digits of each library card are unique to the patron. And then the PIN, in order to get into the Jazzy Ontario Library North system, for the Marathon Public Library, the PIN is books, all lowercase, so BOOKS. And once you log in, you will have to change your password as everyone's password is the same. If you are unable to change your password, please call the library at 229-0740, and we'll be able to help you out with that. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go in and I'm going to check out my movie. So I'm going to type in DVD 5023, which is the one I wanted. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here to the right-hand side, and I'm going to click place hold. And I'm going to confirm it. Please make sure that you have selected Marathon Public Library. If you have more than one library card within Ontario Library Service North, it will pop up as a different library. So please make sure you are selecting Marathon Public Library. Now I'm going to confirm my hold by clicking place holds. And the action now says success. So I'm going to click OK. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in my TV series that I wanted. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to click place hold, and I'm going to double check the library and confirm my hold, and then it says success. So I'm going to click OK. Now, you can also check out books online as well. So once you go to the home screen, you can see all of the books here that are new to the library. So you can click Find in My Library, and you can place the hold. And I'm going to confirm and click OK. Just as easy as that. So what else you can do is you can also search for books. So I am just going to put in Harry Potter. And then all of the Harry Potter books will come up. So what you have to make sure is that if it says ebook or e-audiobook, you must do a checkout through either Overdrive or Libby. So when you're checking out a book through the library, please make sure that it says book. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on library search, and then I'm going to redo my search, and it will now change everything to what is an actual book in the library. So I'm going to click on the first book I see here just because, whoops. And once you click on it, you will see this pop up. So down at the bottom here, if you don't want to check it out online and you just want to go into the library and grab the book, you can see the call number here. And once again, this is how we find the books. So this says YA, which is young adult, fic for fiction, and then ROW. So those are the 3 first letters of the author's last name, which is Rowling. So when you go to the library, you have to go find the young adult fiction and then go find ROW, and you will be able to find the book there. The status section here will also tell you if the book is either on the shelf, which means in the library, or it is checked out, which means you will then be able to reserve the book for when it gets returned to the library. So what you can also do is you can select an action. You can add it to your list to read it next time. You can print off the book information for when you go to the library to go and find it. You can place and hold like we just did with the movie and the TV. The holds allow the library staff to see that you want the book and that you're coming to pick it up. They will check out the book for you and have it ready at the door. They will give you a call, and then you will be able to come and pick up your book as soon as you are available. You can also email. So what you can do is you can just type in your email here and click send email, and it will email this information to you as well. You can also text the information to you, but you will possibly get charged for it depending on your provider. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place the hold, double check the library, and confirm and click OK. So what I'm going to do is that I want to see what books I have placed on hold and my account information. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my account up at the top right. And once you click on that account, you can see your address, you can see your standing in the library if you have any overdues or if your library card is about to expire. I can see all of my checkouts, which I have a digital checkout, library checkouts, and my checkout history. I can see the holds that I have placed, both digital holds and library holds. So here you can see the 2 books that I have on hold, and then you can also see the DVD I have on hold and the TV series. And then what I'm going to do is I can also click on my fines. So if you have an overdue book and you're not sure if you're being charged for it, I can look on my fines, and you can also look on your payment history to see what books or devices or other things that you have overdue fines on that you have paid in the past. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to holds, and I am going to cancel my holds by just clicking cancel hold, select all, cancel hold, and then it is going to ask me to confirm, and I'm going to say yes. And now I have no library holds because they have all been canceled. And then I'm just going to log out. So that is how you use the public library catalog for the Marathon Public Library. If you have any questions or if you have any troubles, please don't hesitate to contact us at 229-0740.